This is we are going to about G2 2. This is one of the latest device of LG. This phone is the best specialty of this phone, that this phone is coming on the LTE technology. Have you heard about the LTE? LTE will give you the best speed of the internet speed. It is one of the best phone for that. And about this phone, LG has made some new innovation in this phone that you are seeing on the screen. There is the 6 inches of the largest screen we have, and the screen is with the narrow bezels. Just because of the 6 inches, the lots of the phones will be very heavy, but this phone is not very heavy. It's very handy because this phone is coming with the zero bezels, correct? But the recently you have seen with the G2 and with other phones, we are coming with the very new innovations, like this phone is having a rear key on the back side. I am pulling the phone. This is the rear key, correct? The advantage of this key that when you are using the phone, when you are talking to someone and you have to handle the voice, that increase it or to decrease it, it's very easily you can do this because of the volume key. Whenever you are talking to someone, your index finger will be on the back side of the phone, so that time you can manage the volume very easily with this. And the very important thing, and every smartphone customer wants the best camera in this phone. This phone is coming with a 13 megapixel camera, which are DSLR like a quality of the video recording, and also with the image quality, which give you the one of the best quality of the imaging. That's the OIS camera. You heard about OIS camera? It gives the stabilization quality, that when you are moving, whatever you are moving on the part, so you have a quality that your camera will be very good, because we have a 13 megapixel camera which gives you the one of the best quality of the imaging, correct? And if you will go in the video, we have lots of the mode about the videos. In the mode you are seeing, we have one very important tracking zoom. Have you seen the very different type of when you are seeing the news? In news you have seen on a particular part you want to zoom of an image of a recording, you can do this. This is called tracking zoom. It's only available in LG phone. It's not available in any other phone, correct? This is called tracking zoom, and it's a very single part of the camera. In the camera there's lots of the function in this phone. If we are going the other side, we have one very good. This phone supports hi-fi music sound. The first phone with the G2 and this one is the second or third device which have a hi-fi sound. This phone supports 24 kilobit rate of sound. It will give you the sound quality like you are sitting in an auditorium. You can listen every beat of the sound. This is the quality of this phone, correct? And after that, this phone is coming with a 3200 mAh battery. It gives you the good quality of the battery, which gives you the at least backup of 1 day. In a smartphone, 1 day is one of the best battery backup. And this phone is coming with the best processor, which is called 2.26 GHz Snapdragon 800, which has the quality of processing. You can process the speed, you can see the speed in this phone all the time, and whenever you want, however you want, you can use this phone, and there's no hanging problem with this phone, correct? And some new innovation through LG, that there's a knock-on function by which you can off the phone and by which you can on the phone only the tab on the screen. This function is also called knock-on. It is a new innovation of LG phone, and LG is providing in all the series phones, correct? By which when we have very different things in this phone, that this phone is coming with the rear key and 13 megapixel camera with the 2.1 megapixel front camera, and the LTE is the best technology of this phone, correct? If you want, this is the best phone.